Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. And this video is about some different length of heels that looks really pretty and really amazing. And this heel also looks really nice, a very beautiful kind of heel and a really beautiful kind of combination that looks really nice and amazing. And as you see, this one is also very beautiful red heel that make your outfit more pretty. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And this heel has a touch of sophistication to any outfit without sacrificing comfort, and luxurious and high quality. This heel is crafted with the finest material and expert craftsmanship for a truly exceptional wear and confidence and empowering. This heel is designed to make you feel the best version of yourself, and these heels also add a touch of elegance to any outfit, and these heels are perfect for formal events to everyday wear. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and watch this video till the end. So today's video is going to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.